In this video I will show you how to recover deleted files in Google Drive.
So, let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and look at the left side menu. From there, click on the Trash option, where all recently deleted files are stored. Now find the file or folder you want to recover, right-click on it, and select Restore. Once you do that, the file will automatically return to its original location in your Google Drive. If you cannot find the file in the trash, it may have been permanently deleted or removed by someone else if it was a shared file. In some cases, you can also use the search bar at the top of Google Drive to quickly locate missing files. Google Drive usually keeps deleted files in the trash for up to 30 days before removing them permanently. And that's how you can easily recover deleted files in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.